One place that can show you the true beauty of native plants in their natural surroundings, and then inspire you to be conservators of the natural habitat and inform you about all the benefits of native plants, it's here, Mount Cuba Center, located just 40 miles southwest of downtown Philadelphia. With 1,100 acres nearly and a focus on native plants under their care, Mount Cuba Center truly is a place for conservation, education, scientific research, and most of all, inspiration. Some come to Mount Cuba Center simply to take a stroll through the beautiful and historic gardens. Some take part in continuing education classes with gardening topics like pruning trees, propagating plants, and integrated pest management. Conservation topics like learning about pollinators and designing mini ecosystems. It all started in the 1930s as the private residential garden of one of the country's most well-known families.
So at its origins, Mount Cuba Center was the home of the Copeland family. Mr. Lamont DuPont Copeland was a scion of the DuPont family, industrialists, innovators, and among the wealthiest people in America during the early 20th century.
Mrs. Copeland gave us what has become the vision statement of the organization. We called it our founding intention. She said, I want this to be a place where people will learn to appreciate our native plants and to see how these plants can enrich their lives so that they, in turn, will become conservators of our natural habitats. And that's a really important thing because the Copelands didn't just want this to be a pretty place to go. They had a very specific intention that Mount Cuba be a place where we inspire people, the community, to then go home and consider thinking differently about their own landscape practices so that they might garden more in harmony with nature's systems.